Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They can provide it with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, but you can also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Anyway, once you have one or the other, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the phone, or I guess closer to like middle, whatever. But yeah, you will find it right here. So you can see this cutout with the tiny little insert pin. Push the pin in and you will see that the tray pops out ever so slightly, enough for you to just grab it with your fingernail, pull it out, and here you have space for just a single SIM card. Place it on the tray with this chip side up, like so. Make sure that it's lying flush. When you flip it over, it shouldn't fall out. From there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. So let's just see. You can check it if it's working either by reception or by going into the settings, navigating to network and internet, and then you'll see that calls and SMS as actually like lit up. It says Virgin Mobile. This is the card that it's right here. When it's not detecting a card, it would actually just be grayed out. Just to kind of showcase this, I'm going to pop it out. Come on. Ah, there we go. And as you can see, it disappeared. So there we go. So, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.